more about the mind. So what is difficult about seeing our mind? Why is it difficult for us? And is because, the simplest reason is because we are completely addicted to the outside world. From the second we wake up in the morning until the second we go to sleep, what is it? What do we pay attention to? First of all, the body, which is external, the mind's internal, the body, then the objects of our senses, the things we see and hear and smell and taste and touch. This is how we spend our lives. And because we're so totally addicted to the view, the assumption that contact with the things that suit us is what brings happy feelings, and contact with the things that don't, like the wrong food and the mean words and the heavy traffic, they're the things that cause us suffering. So we spend all our attention and therefore all our energy in trying to manipulate the outside world. Why? Because we want happy feelings and don't want suffering feelings. That's fine. You can do that. You can work, but it's not stable. This is all really the discussion here, is that if we start to pay attention to what's inside, the parts of us that respond to those external events, and learn to change those instead. This is nice saying that if you can change the outside world, for sure, please change it. But especially, what if you can't? And that's when we become paralyzed. We become hopeless and despairing and angry and depressed and jealous and not fair. And then we become paralyzed because we don't realize that we can change our mind, which means literally reinterpret the external events. That's the trick. And that's the toughest job on the planet. But that's the source of happiness and the source of freedom from suffering, using the typical Buddhist words.